Commander morning. Amandla, wethu, manda, ashu, matla, yaruna, chikijela mkondo, chikijela. Chikijela mkondo, chikijela. Long live umkondo wesizwe party, long live. Long live President Jacob Zuma, long live. Amandla. My commander, Siyabonga Mzimela, member of MK Party in good standing, KZN province, Ilembe region, Mandeni sub-region, Ward 6. After the video I posted yesterday, there were a lot of questions on my credentials, on who am I, what have I done, and so on and so on. Hayi ngingangiqali. Lalelani ngingangiqali. Hayi ngizongiqala. Bona mase manikhuluma ngale ama credentials. Ukuthi abanye bethu ipolitiki abayiphaphela sigijima isopha la ku social media. Siza la ku social media ngoba sifuna uku-address lezi zinto esifuna ukuyi-address ezibalekile. We are very progressive and we are working underground. Siyasebenza thina, we can tell you ukuthi what we have done in the past. Ukuthi nje we don't claim easy victories. And asifune endorsement and asifune popularity, but let's deal with the issue of credentials. I was introduced political activism yamiqala 1992 when I was introduced to the African National Congress by a comrade called Umbongeni Potsho Sibiya. Abasemandeni lapha kwamanzi amnyama bazoyazi imizi yakasibiya lapha ngakwagoba esitolo. Those were the guys who introduced me to the ANC, the Sibiya guys. Then they introduced me to the ANC. It was 1992. We were, even with them, we were doing Standard 3. I think it's grade 5 these days. They started educating me on Oliver Tambo and all these people. Remember, we are in northern region of KZN, where IFP is in abundance. Where IFP is fashionable. There was nothing except IFP at that time. And I pride myself, you can go around and ask. I'm one person, I'm one fellow who have never been IFP in my life. I have never been IFP. You can go around, ask about myself. They will tell you that even though I grew up in the community that was dominated by IFP, the chief was IFP, the community was IFP, our families were IFP. We became ANC when it was not fashionable to do so. We're talking about KZN here, Mjan. 1994, I was expelled from school. Before elections, I was expelled from school. Together with this Sibiya Kapal, we were expelled from school for being ANC. We were expelled, and then I had to go to complete my grade 7, standard 5, grade 7 in another school, which was Ekuvukeni Primary School, because it was in the farms. So at least there, in that school, it was a private property, even though it fell on the same under the same chieftaincy, but it was a private property. It was just a farm school. It was a school for the children of the farm workers. Then I went there to complete my grade 7. I came back, and then I went to Nkonkwezi High School. I became the president of the Learner Representative Council, LRC, in 1999. We did a lot of progressive things there while I was president. We achieved a lot of things while I was president of the LRC at that time, 1999. Then after that, what else? In 2004, I went to Umfolozi, TVET College. I was also the president of the SRC there. I was elected president of the SRC there. We also fought. I was also in the forefront of leading the struggle whereby there was a corruption which saw only Indian students being recommended to work at SAPI. I was in the forefront of that, of fighting that corruption. We fought it, we won it. I'm one of the students who, after completing entry, I was the first one to go to SAPI. One of the few black students who were recommended to go to SAPI. Because the system that was there at Mfolozi at that time, it was that the Indian students will get first preference, and then only when there is a shortage in the number, then there will be a supplement of black students, regardless of who has achieved better results. We fought that. We fought that. It was a 3-day strike. We fought it. I was in the forefront of that. 2006, I was a delegate in the National Youth Development, in the National Youth Policy Review Convention that was held in Kempton Park, which saw a resolution being taken to then to amalgamate or to measure umsobomvu and in fact it was not to measure umsobomvu, it was to transform umsobomvu into National Youth Development Agency. That resolution, we were instrumental. I was a delegate there representing KZN in that National Youth Policy Review Convention. I remember other comrades who were there. Shagan Pontombela was still the chairperson of KZN Youth League and chairperson of KZN Youth Commission. He was also there. At that time, the national chairperson of Youth Commission was this guy who is in Bloemfontein now. But it's a Mbalula guy. I think it's a Mbalula guy. Yes, yeah, it's a Mbalula guy. Is in Free State, Bloemfontein, Mangaung Metro now. He's working there. I think it's a spokesperson or whatever. Yes, it's there. That is the guy. All right, and then the same year, 2006, I was also instrumental and vocal in. I attended KZN Youth Parliament that's seated in a great town in that year, and I was instrumental in terms of I was the one who raised the motion of why the Comrade Marathon has to be on the Youth Day. Remember, maybe you've got selective amnesia, you forget very easily, but selectively. The Comrade Marathon used to be on Youth Day, June 16. I said no, I raised the motion that no, we must take a resolution as the youth of KZN that this marathon, because it's an apartheid marathon, it was there to promote, it was where all these nations were celebrating that they have defeated us. Therefore, it cannot run on the Youth Day, which we are commemorating the day the young people were also killed by the same regime. We did an interview with Nhlakan Pontombela on Gagasi FM. These things are on record. On Gagasi FM Viewpoint, the host was Zizwele at that time. I think he's working for Vuma FM now, Zizwele. And then within a week, The premier of that time, this guy, the premier of that time is Ndebele, Sbu Ndebele, convene a meeting with Comrade Marathon Association, CMA. They took a resolution that in 2007, the next Comrade Marathon will not run on June 16. Those are the things that we have done. We have done those things. Those are our credentials. You can go and check the records. These things are on record. You can go and check the records for these things in case you dispute these things. Amandla, away too.